Hey guys, I messed up and didn't plug in the mic to the proper port on the camera, so all the audio came to the camera instead of the mics, so I apologize for the poor audio. Alright, so we are headed to Ace Cafe. We are driving, need to make this turn. No turn on red, unfortunately. But we're going to Ace Cafe for a Beamer invasion, and hopefully the turnout's pretty good. Getting stopped by a train, of course. And of course we have Ben behind us, back there. So, not sure if he's paying attention, but maybe he's waving at us. We'll see. We got Ben. He's here.
Here we are, baby.
We got Michael. You've never seen him on the channel, but...
First time comer.
First time comer. We have Depot Swap, right? I think that's his channel
Depot
name.
Swap.
Depot Swap. Vehicle Virals, of course. And then we got, he's Mellow Yellow, right?
Right.
Yeah, Mellow Yellow, which is the G80 way over there. So we will wander around. We're gonna sneak up on Caleb right now.
What's up, dude?
What up? What up? Of course, he brought the Yaz with a missing front splitter. Short story is he was at a track day and it hooked on the edge of the road and completely crumpled underneath the car. So, like I said, this is Mellow Yellow on Instagram. As you can see, he has the Vorsteiner grills. I believe he has a Vorsteiner front lip, if I'm not mistaken, but it does make the car look substantially better. Got some Edelweiss wheels with the matching calipers. Looks very good. Carbon buckets, which are super sick, with the white interior, Silverstone. I believe Silverstone, but not 100% sure there. But did take a shot again. Mellow Yellow, give him a follow. And then we got Dre M3 or Dr. M3, or I call him Dr. M3. Yep, there we go. So super cool build, tuned by F80 Paul, and then he said he was making 575 wheel, but we think the dyno's sort of off because usually he's running like mid-10s, and I believe there should be in the 600 range or closer to 600 if he's running those type of times. So yeah, of course we have Viet pulling up right now. Got Viet. Oh, he's just going for the dips, man. He's just going.
Those flexing with the shoes today, boy. Look at the shoes, though.
They're alright. Look at you. What you mean?
Those are nice, though. What up, my guys?
What's up, brother? You good?
Long time no see.
Oh, the fucking
Bow.
Of course, we have Viet and his HRE wheels, which you guys have definitely seen on his channel. But he's about to start the vlogception, of course.
Yep.
Let's go.
He's got his new tips.
Oh, yeah, where you
I
go?
can't even see the tips. There we go. There we go.
Hey, they look good.
We're not like Big Ben Ball.
Nah, hey, I didn't pay for it. We just came with the car.
Hold on, Zai over here surprised me, talking about she wants a, I had to make sure I wasn't on slow-mo. She wants an M4.
Yeah.
Please show us this M4. What color is that?
I have no fucking idea. Look, I can't even open it.
Oh, it's because it's not a link. Of course, we have PSI's car here. Not surprised. What do y'all think about the color? Got another tanzanite This is a Domo M3, the one I got my CarPlay from. But yeah, he picked this up a few weeks ago, I believe. Super clean tanzanite. The paint's in like really good condition. I just stepped in a puddle. Anyways, super clean. Should have bought an M3, man. Of course, I am parked up front with Ben and some of the other guys. We already saw this earlier. We have a 8 Series, super cool. Always like those cars. We got a super clean M2 comp. Got a M4. And then a Laguna Seca M4. One of my favorite colors. We got Silver Surfer M3. Super cool dude, also a manual. Go give him a follow. This car is super clean.
Great. I got red cones for this thing because they come blue.
Yeah.
That kind of helped me out a little bit, and that's great.
Yeah, the engine ones usually do come blue.
They come blue. I know that. I hate that crap, man. So I mean, that would the ad. I'm all about accents, so clean this thing up. But it's cool, man. I love this car.
My man getting some footage right now. Sheesh.
We get you too.
Hey. Woo! All right, man. CJ. Favorite car here.
Favorite car here? Probably the 6-speed supercharged Z92 M3. It's pretty. Yeah.
Is that your car?
No, sir. It's not.
Oh.
I want it to be.
Okay, I was about to say, if it's your car, you can't use your car.
It's either that or the 911 or the 88s over there.
But that's not a BMW.
You said favorite car?
I meant BMW.
C90.
Alright, bet. We'll go look at it. We got Mike! Look at Mike, man! Come on!
So they're gonna tow me, they said.
Why?
Because the lot's full. So I came in anyway.
No, just park in the front with us. Tow you my ass! Yeah, they're gonna tow your Porsche. Yeah, that makes sense.
Who's organizing this? Like, who runs it?
Miguel.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah, just go talk to Miguel. He's up front. You're good. Look at how fucking dope this thing is. Oh my god. He got rid of his Titanium for it, but amazing. Listen, we're gonna expose Ben right now. Look at this. Look at his stance, boy.
You gotta get deep for the shots.
Hey, hold up. I thought your knees were broken, dog. You better not tell. Yep, the VA. Yep. Dead. Got him. Alright, so we got a question. The PSI car, is it the original Obsessed Garage 1M? Matt, I'm gonna need you to comment on my video, please. Hey, we got MotoGear. Hey, what up?
What's going on, man?
Vlogception again. Where'd Ben go? He was trying to come say hi, but go give. Oh, he only has the tag on one side, but definitely go give these guys a follow. MotoGearTV. He's got some good tutorials, and his builds are going to be super sick. He's never seen our cars, but now's the time. Our cars are basic though. If you watch Jets videos, Davis Blue. Got Ben. Instead of a fucking vlogger, I should be a comedian. That's what it comes down to.
That's the only joke you ever told that wasn't funny, buddy.
Bro, shut up. Get your black ass out.
You know what's funny? You know, I'm not gonna say it.
What? Say it.
No, I'm not gonna say it for your vlog.
Say it.
Okay, you wanted it. Wang is the only person that I know that can look you in your eyes and say nigga without saying nigga. That's the truth. I've heard him say it like 5 times today by looking me in my eyes. That's how Wayne
You heard it here first.
Right.
You heard it here first.
Yep. And I made sure to project too.
Hopefully we had some cool B-roll in the background. I'm gonna close out this video. We're not talking too much to very many people, so I'm gonna spare you the BS and close it out. So hopefully you guys like some of the cars in this video. Hopefully the mic is better sounding than it used to be, and give me some idea for content. Peace.